All right, guys, here's the grande oven. It's a beautiful oven as well. Let's talk all about it. 304 stainless steel, solid welded construction, all heavy duty, including the door. All right, refractory floor, heavy density, 5-year warranty on the floor. One of the best in the industry. Low profile dome, heats really quick, cooks up to 900 degrees. Okay, the oven is good. It has a space-saving stand. All right, it's one of our most economical deals we have. And comes with tools as well. You get all 5 tools. You got them all there. You get the wood holder as well, the Paralina. You get free shipping and an outdoor cover that covers the whole oven. Okay, this oven rocks. You'll love it. Great oven. Check out our little videos. Have a lot of fun cooking.
Right?